In Excel charts, all bars are usually appear in the same color, but sometimes we need to highlight specific values like the highest or lowest sale. In this video, I'll show you how to change individual bar colors in an Excel bar chart step by step. Let's get started. So you see, I have the sales data of different products, and from this data, first I'll produce the chart. So I'll select this data. I'll go to the Insert tab. I'll click on this recommended chart and I'll select this clustered column chart and click OK. So our chart is created. I'll just first remove this chart title so that the bars are more visible. Then you can see that all the bars are in the same color. And if we want to specify the highest sale with the green, I'll click on this bar. When I click, all the bars are selected. Again, I need to click it. This will just only select this highest sale bar. Now I will go to this Format tab, and here I will select the shape fill. So because it is the highest sale, so I will select this green color. And this one, the tablet sale, is the lowest. Next I will click this one to select it, and this time I will select the next color from the shape fill, that is the red one. Now we can also fill the colors in other bars also, just by clicking them to select and then selecting the appropriate color. Every color you have selected would have a specific meaning that will be very helpful to you whenever you will present this chart in your data in different presentations. Now we can just resize it. I'll click on this plus sign and then select this legends. And if I further want to adjust its position, I can click on this arrow and then select this bottom. Now you know how to change the individual bar color to highlight important data in your Excel chart. Try this technique in your own report, and if this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to KnowHow for more practical Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching.